Welcome to the Reduce Cyber Risk Podcast, Episode 70, CISSP Sample Exam Questions. Welcome to the Reduce Cyber Risk Podcast, where we provide you the training and tools you need to pass the CISSP exam while enhancing your cybersecurity career. Hi, my name is Shon Gerber, and I'm your host for this action-packed, informative podcast. Join me each week as I provide the information you need to grow your cybersecurity knowledge so that you're better prepared to pass the CISSP exam. All right, let's get going. Good afternoon. Hope everybody's doing well this beautiful day in February. Things are great here in Wichita, Kansas, and it just couldn't be better. I just couldn't be. It's going to be wonderful this weekend and nice and warm, so that's always a positive. I hope everybody's studying hard for their CISSP exam, and that you know that you can get a lot of help if you go to shongerber.com and check out my free stuff that I've got available for you. That would help you out immensely, especially if you're going into this weekend to cram for that CISSP exam. Well, today we're going to have 3 sample questions for you, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, it's question number 1. Okay, blank is a standards-based mechanism for providing encryption for point-to-point TCP/IP traffic. Okay, it's a standards-based mechanism, but I don't know what it is, for providing encryption for point-to-point TCP/IP traffic. A, UDP. B, IDEA, IDEA. C, IPSec. D, SDLC. All right, so standards-based mechanism for providing encryption to point-to-point TCP/IP traffic. Okay, so look for all the clues, the tells. UDP obviously is broadcast, that doesn't work. SDLC is a software development lifecycle, throw that out. So now you're getting down to A, UDP, B is IDEA, C is IPSec, and D is SDLC. The answer is IPSec. IPSec is for IP security, and it's a standards-based mechanism for providing encryption for point-to-point TCP/IP traffic. You can get this out on brainscape.com. There's the show notes will have that as well, but that's where you can get some of these flashcards. All right, question number 2. What is both a benefit and a potentially harmful implication for multi-layer protocols? A, throughput. B, encapsulation. C, hash integrity checking. D, logical addressing. Okay, so what is both a benefit and a potential harmful implication for multi-layer protocols? A, throughput. B, encapsulation. C, hash integrity checking. And D, logical addressing. The answer is encapsulation. B. Encapsulation is both a benefit and a potentially harmful implication. All right. Question number 3. Which of the following is not true regarding firewalls? They are able to log traffic information. They are able to block viruses. They are able to issue alarms based on suspected attacks. They are unable to prevent internal attacks. Okay, so which of the following is not true regarding firewalls? They're able to log traffic information. They're able to block viruses. They're able to issue alarms based on suspected attacks. They are unable to prevent internal attacks. So we're looking for the negative. They are, what are they? What are they? They are B. They are able to block viruses. They don't block viruses. They don't do that. Now, there are some firewalls that do have active monitoring that can block attacks from those viruses that may be causing it, but in the end of the day, they do not block viruses. They just don't. Now, there's some packet, like I said, there's packet filtering, and there's also packet inspection that if they're trying to get through, they can go ahead and nuke those, but that's typically the IPS aspect of a firewall. It's one of those things where people have actually thought about, do you turn them on or do you leave that off and just do packet inspections? It's kind of a school of thought that if you get into the active monitoring piece where it's blocking things, sometimes people are a little concerned about it because they're afraid it might block good stuff and not bad stuff. So you got to kind of weigh that out and determine if that's something that you really want to do or not when you're dealing with the active monitoring. But again, most firewalls at this point do have extensive logging and auditing capabilities. They're awesome. They really, really are. And depending on how much you want to spend, they can become even more awesomeness. But that's bottom line is that it will not block viruses per se. All right. Hope you enjoyed this. This is all I got for today, but go out to Shon, Shon Gerber.com and check out my free content for you. And just all you got to do is sign up for my email address, or sign up for your email address, and you will get access to the free, wonderful CISSP content to help you pass the CISSP the first time. All right. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya. Thanks so much for joining me today on my podcast. Head over to ShonGerber.com and look at all the free content that I have available for you. There is a CISSP mini course, free CISSP exam questions, podcast, and so much more. It's all available to my email subscribers, so sign up. If you want my personalized CISSP training, purchase my training courses, and I'll be there to help you with your CISSP needs so you can pass the test the first time. Thanks so much for listening. We'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.